to take this off the rear cover, you need to disconnect it from the machine, and then you're going to pull this down a little bit. There are 2 white brackets on the inside of here that this circuit board slides into, and you're going to unplug this connector. There's a tab that you have to push in on the tab and lift up and disconnect it like that. And then this is going to pull out. If there's a pink foamy thing back there, just get rid of it. This is what you have to unplug. And to do this, you flip it over and you're just gonna kind of teeter-totter it a little bit down at each time. Pinch this wire, this thin wire, and just kind of teeter-totter it down, just so it pulls off like that. And then you're going to cut the silicone if there's any in here, and you're gonna push this out, and the other video will show you how to do the rest. Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to remove this panel and put a new one in. So the first thing you have to do is cut the glue on the LCD on both sides. And you're gonna push that through, just like that, and then you're gonna remove it. Second thing we're gonna do is we are going to get this started. I'm using a knife. You can use anything that can get underneath that panel to get it started. A screwdriver, fingernail, and we are going to rip it off. There's a sticky that comes with it. On the back side, this is a grounding wire. Just pull it up and get rid of it. Put that one aside. You can clean up any residue or anything on the front and on the back. So here's our new one. What we're gonna do is line it up with our front, and you'll see here on the back, if we don't see anything on either side, got some glue you can take off. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna take my sticky off. Now there's a sticky underneath there. I actually wait until I'm done getting it on before I take that one off. And I am going to line it up the best I can. Press that on. Lift up this here and tear this little piece off. Oops, there we go. This is our grounding wire. We're going to fold this over, and I actually bend it a couple times and add a piece of tape to it. Sorry, I should have had my tape ready. You can put a couple pieces of tape. It might be a little long, but it will work. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our LCD screen and put it back in, and it'll just kind of snap into place. Then you're going to add your silicone on the top and on the bottom again. I put a couple pieces of painter's tape on the top and the bottom, and I let it sit overnight.